This is the fun part of the job where you get all your gear up to the roof. We had to get it over there. You can see my gauges are over there and stuff. And let's play a little fishing. Go for the vacuumer first. All right, thanks, boss. Yeah. Yeah. It's always nice when the guys help out. Look at the sky from all the smoke and the fires. Holy moly. You cannot even see the sun. Look at this. All the street lights are on. Like street lights are on. It's so dark from the smoke. From the fires, dude, it's like living on Mars right now. Look at this. Dude, this is nuts. There's a big job over there, a bunch of diking going in. Crazy. There's my gear over here. All right, this is my plan. Whether it's a hack or not, I don't care. That's the dead unit. The new unit is a scroll with 2 condenser fans, so it's going to be a bit bigger. I'm going to put some 4x4s down here, put the unit down here. You can see there, in the past, some other units were already moved down here. This is my line set's going to come here. I'm going to chop those, come out this way down, hit some struts, over, across, down, and into the unit. I got my whip made up. I'm gonna put it out here like that. Condensing unit. And see if I can recover the charge out of this thing tonight. Get my recovery going. So we'll get the gas out of this thing, and we'll try and tidy up the electrical, how we're going to do that. And carry on. I got as far as I was going to get on that startup to. It's only 4:10 in the afternoon, and it's basically dark outside from all the smoke. My light's on my phone, and all the car lights are on up there. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon on September. This is nuts. The sky's just turned orange here. This is flipping crazy. All right, gosh, just got the condensing unit put in. I don't need the box for it. Still looks like Mordor out here. Crazy. Never underestimate the Vangina. All right, I got some gear up on the roof here. I cut the line set here. I'm gonna come over. I gotta hook up my struts. Come over, come down, hit the strut, come over, down, and then to where our unit's gonna go. The crane's gonna be here later. So I got the Milwaukee copper tubing cutter out. You know, we got it in there and cut those. It won't cut the 3/8. 3/8 is too small for this tool, just so you know. About 1/2-inch refrigeration pipes as low as you go. So I'm gonna put the camera on time lapse to see if we can't make a little video here of me setting some stuff up. Let's see how we do. gonna make my silver solder weld. It's the stainless to the copper. I like to get it straight up and down so you can flow it in there, so I'm just using the unistrut to hold the valve in. This is the suction service valve off the compressor. So I got it all flexed up, and I'll try and get this this. Getting there. Okay, now it wants to flow. Then it'll flow. Do it right there. Maybe little leak right there, but that looks okay. All right, that looks pretty good. Okay, here's where I'm at so far. I got my line set stubbed over. I'm waiting on the crane. He's coming. I did get that silver solder weld all done on that fitting. Came out okay. Little hot spot right there, but looks good and tight. Got all the Milwaukee tools out. Oh, if you're making videos with your iPhone or use your iPhone a lot and you want music, get the Milwaukee little boombox. Has a USB so you can recharge your iPhone from it too. And I'm using the tubing cutter. I had the little cut-off saw earlier where I cut the unistrut, and that's where I'm at right now. I kind of got the electrical stubbed over, and that's where I'm at. Just got off the roof, had the crane here. We're all craned up. All right, so this is where it's gonna live right here. I got it like this so it'll pull the air in, discharge that way. This one's gonna pull the air that way, discharge that way. And we'll get her piped in here. Woo, 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 woo. Pull it over, not today. Purge is going. Let's get this all soldered up here and get rocking. All right, we got the 2 3/8 hoses going. No Smurf boner today. And I gotta hook up my micron gauge. It's been a while. So get her hooked up here. All right, so that's how this one ended up. She's up and running. Only took 9 pounds of gas. Tied in over there. The video fell apart like always. They wanted to get their freezer going, so I had to haul balls. So I got my sheet metal shops making me a dog house for this dude. And then we'll be in good shape. All right, so I'm all wrapped up with that one. Hey, off the live stream, did anybody take my pick for the football and win any money? I told you guys to take the Chiefs and give up the points. I was 100% right. You could have won yourself a couple bucks. I just didn't see the Houston Texans just don't have enough weapons on offense. And Kansas City's just stacked to the max. It's going to be the 49ers' problem this year. They don't have enough stars. They got Kittles and Bits. We'll see if McKinnon running the football's any good. It's been 2 years since, they paid that guy. He hurt his knee and he hasn't played. The Jet. We'll see if we can go my man Raheem Mostert, the surfer. And then you got Deebo Samuel for a wide receiver, but the guy, he had a really bad foot injury, so we'll see what happens. Sturgis is a lot of like older biker chicks with fucking beagle ears, dude. You know what I'm talking about?
It's fucking beagle ears everywhere. I'm like, oh man, maybe we'll see some hot chicks. Fuck no. All you're gonna see there is a bunch of beagle ears.
That's what it still looks like. See that little red dot there? That is the sun. And that's what it still looks like here. It's still nuked out. Still living in Mordor.